In this video, I'm going to talk about modifier randc. Randc is similar to rand, but the difference between randc and rand is randc is C means cyclic. So it also does the randomization, whereas it does in a cyclic manner. Suppose rand will do a randomization. Suppose if I call the rand variable, suppose v1 I called like suppose 10 times, it might do like 0 3 1 3 something like this, 0 3, again it will might get 3, or again it might happen again it might get 3, or again next it will get 2, something like this. Whereas if you do the rand c for v2, if I randomize v2 like more than one, twice, thrice, or how it prints is suppose it gets 1, now it might get 0, now it might get 2, or it might get 3. What does that mean is, first the namespace the space available here is 0 to 3. Once it completes all the available values for this randomization, then only it will go for the repetition. It won't repeat unless it will get all the values. All the values. Here in this example, I created a small class where it called a rand class, and the variables declared v1 as rand and v2 as randc. The logic data type is logic, and to 1 down to 0, both I have 1 down to 0. Here I created small module which is used for displaying the randomization. Now here in this randc has declared a rand class is declared as randc, and rc is constructed inside the initial begin. Repeat 10, and now in this here I am repeating 10 times to see how the randomization happens. See, every time I am randomizing here, the rc is the class, rand class. Let me run. Here in this example, you see that first for v1 is used as v1 used rand, whereas v2 is randc. v1 has got 2 and 3 and 0, again 3 within 4 iterations. What are the 4 values possible for v1 and v2 are for each of them of 4 and 4. For v1, by the time it has completed the 4 iterations, there is a repetition for this one, whereas by v2 there won't be any repetition, because first it will complete all the available values 0 1 2 3 in random order, then only it will go for a repetition. Now 0 2 1 3, again it will go in a cyclic manner. First every time it will complete all the set of values present, again it will go to for next round. I mean, like again, now suppose in this example 0 2 3 4, suppose now again it might print 3 0, now again it will print 3, and again it will get suppose 2, now again it will get 1, unless it will complete all the values. Basically it will complete all the values, then only it will go to other iteration. It's kind of iteration you can think of. It will complete all the values and iterate it again. It will complete all the values, iterate again in a random order. That is the difference between the randc and rand. Okay, hope you got it.